How does desire emerge? Meaning. Sexual desire is influenced by both biological and psychological factors. Its expression varies greatly across sexes. Wanting something usually comes after arousal for guys. When women experience physical proximity, an emotional connection, and an undistracted environment, desire typically comes before arousal. Scientists examine the dynamics between biological factors like neurohormones and psychological factors like emotions and relationships, as they pertain to the study of human desire. Studies have shown that women are more attracted to potential partners whose natural body odor, also known as pheromones, reveals a genetic profile different from their own. Both men and women experience low libido from time to time, but this is usually something that can be remedied by fixing underlying problems, spending more time together outside of the bedroom, and engaging in sexual activity.